is my 300th video. It's time to hit the road. I want to talk about genuine advocacy. Put that into less elitist terms used by delusional people. It means to promote something such as veganism. Yeah, I want to talk about actually promoting veganism here. What you're doing right now is actually helpful. You may not realize how much power you can have as a keyboard warrior, or even without the keyboard, like a mouse warrior. The viewers are the ones with the power. Not all of it. You may not have money for advertising, but you have the power in numbers. The viewers are what YouTube wants. That's how they make their income. And they're watching your viewing habits and clicking habits. Those are two different things. But what seems to be happening on YouTube doesn't look good. Who are the ones with all the attention? Who are people watching? The people coming in from the outside and doing searches? Who did they find? You can see who they're finding. The ones who get tens of thousands or millions of views. Because that's what YouTube puts in their faces. They do that because the initial viewers have sent a message to YouTube. YouTube uses programs that monitor your habits on YouTube. That's how they decide what videos they're going to promote. When you watch a video, you demote it if you leave early and go on to do something else. You promote it if you interact, giving it a thumbs up and commenting. When you leave a negative comment, YouTube sees that as a comment. A lot of comments. All YouTube cares about is there's a lot of interaction on this video. A lot of views coming in. And the views are from her initial audience, which she developed because she does cheap crap, sophomore humor. And what message are vegans sending to YouTube? Well, I've always said that there's a difference between vegans and other people. Well, vegans are definitely more ethical. I've always thought they were smarter and more driven. And I don't mean driven to the bank by your chauffeur. It seems like they're voting for the same kind of bullshit the meat eaters do. People pretending to worship the devil, and every once in a while you pull out a knife, and all kinds of bitches with their unnatural bullshit. People seem to want to have that instead of someone who's sincere. Maybe the decent vegans just aren't being as active. I know that some of my viewers are active. I do get some shares. I get a great thumbs up ratio. I just need viewers. Yeah. Why doesn't YouTube see my thumbs up? I don't know. It's a factor, but there's other factors. Just need more action here. So I say, get on your butts, get on the couch, and start being more proactive, purposely watching the good channels and not the bad ones. You gotta put your carbs to use. Make your better life worth it. My channel is about to take another turn. You can decide where your donation will go. You want to put it into advertising, which is one of the only tools I have, because I'm not getting promotions from the popular people. That's one of the biggest ways to make it on YouTube. It seems those days are over for the vegan community. So advertising's where it's at. This unnatural bitch doing that, that's the only way she could make it. And advertising isn't expensive either. It's pretty cheap. I've done it myself on a few of my videos, and it's effective, all right. I think if all my viewers put in just $1, we could make one video get many thousands of views, 10 or 20,000 even. It's just an initial boost is all you need, and then it gets into search results. Then you can get the bigger views on top of that. That's why you see people with millions of views, and then you see people with dozens. There's a whole bunch of vegans out there just get dozens of views. Some of the videos are pretty good too. But the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. We got to start putting our money where our mouth is. And what's even cooler is I'll give you the option of deciding which videos you want to put your money into. Just a few hours ago, someone posted that video onto a website, and being there just for 5 hours, that post there on that site got 4 more shares, and it could spread out, and it keeps getting shared, and that's what's meant by going viral. That's how videos go viral. If enough people share them to people who share them again. So get on your couch, get on your mouse, get the ball rolling. You like, share, and subscribe, but you should also watch the suggested videos, comment, lots of comments, keep writing. The words get out there onto the internet. They become searchable words. That's what the internet's all about. Start making playlists. That's one of the ways you can be almost like a video maker without making videos. You can have playlists. I'll see you in the comments below. Bye, everybody. They're calling up their investment brokers. They're going to the bank. They're calling them. They're